Hi, I'm Clinton from GrimmSpeed. I'm going to be walking you through the installation of our GrimmSpeed Catback exhaust for the 2011 to 2018 WRX and STI sedan. The GrimmSpeed Catback comes in both resonated and non-resonated versions. The tools you'll need for this install are two 13mm sockets, one 14mm socket, two ratchet wrenches, one needle nose pliers, one short socket extension, and one 14mm wrench. First, let's remove the two bolts holding the OEM mufflers to the Y pipe. You can use a 14mm wrench and a 14mm socket wrench to undo these bolts. Loosen, but leave one bolt in on each side. We will need these for support when we loosen the connection to the J-pipe. Now we can remove the spring bolts holding the Y pipe to the J pipe. Use a 14mm socket and a 12mm wrench to remove the spring bolts. Once these bolts are removed, you can separate the Y pipe from the J pipe. Now let's loosen the exhaust hanger so it can be easily removed. This might be difficult, but you can use soapy water as a lubricant to make it easier. Now let's go back to the mufflers and remove the bolts from both sides. Now with a little bit of effort, you can remove the Y pipe from the exhaust hanger. Moving back to the rear of the car, remove both OEM mufflers by popping the hangers out of the exhaust bushings. Now that both mufflers are out, you can remove the OEM rubber bushings, because your new kit comes with 4 GrimmSpeed poly exhaust hangers. Install the new exhaust hangers onto the car using the side with one hole. Then install your new mufflers by pushing the hangers into one of the two mounting holes. It might take a little bit of adjustment to get the mufflers to sit correctly. Soapy water can be used as a lubricant to make the adjustment easier. The GrimmSpeed Y-pipe is made to fit two different fitments, the 11-14 and the 2015 WRX and STI sedans. Therefore, there are two mounting points on the Y-pipe. Mount 1, the hanger closest to the J-pipe connection, is for the 2011 through 2014 fitment. Mount 2, the farther hanger, is for the 2015 plus fitment. Go ahead and choose the correct mounting point for your vehicle. With the hanger in place, you can now bolt up each muffler to the Y-pipe using the included hardware in 3-inch gaskets. Keep the bolts a little loose for the moment so we can adjust later. Once you're done, it should look something like this. With help from a friend or a jack stand, raise the mid-pipe into place and line it up between the J-pipe and the Y-pipe. Line up the two flanges and use the included hardware to bolt them together. Don't forget to include the 3-inch gasket. If you're running an OEM downpipe, you will need our stock downpipe to aftermarket 3-inch catback adapter and donut gasket. Starting at the mufflers, make sure everything is aligned correctly, then begin tightening all the joints to factory spec. At this point, you're all done with the install. Enjoy your new GrimmSpeed Catback exhaust.